Hey there, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. We're your go-to place for everything stocks and investment trends. If you're into the world of stocks and looking for up-to-date analysis, you've definitely come to the right spot. Now today, we're diving deep into a stock that's been catching a lot of attention lately, Sigma Lithium Corporation, ticker SGML. This company is making some serious moves in the lithium market, and with the massive surge in demand for lithium, driven by the rise of electric vehicles and clean energy, Sigma Lithium is in a prime position to capitalize. So if you're curious about this fast-growing company and how it's performing, stick around because we've got a lot to talk about today. But before we jump in, do us a quick favor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our latest stock news and analysis. And if you're enjoying the content, give us a like, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear what you think about Sigma Lithium's future and the lithium market in general. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off by taking a closer look at Sigma Lithium's financial performance and stock potential. Right now, Sigma is trading at about $11.04 per share. But here's the thing, analysts are setting a target price of around $20.48, which means there's an upside potential of nearly 85%. That's pretty exciting, right? And it gets better. The analysts are pretty bullish on this one. With a strong buy recommendation and a mean rating of 1.00, it's clear that the experts are confident in Sigma's future growth. So this stock definitely has a lot of positive momentum going for it. When it comes to the company's financials, Sigma Lithium is efficient and profitable. The gross margin for the last 12 months stands at a solid 25.4%, which shows they're doing a good job at managing costs. The operating margin is at 5.52%, which is also a good sign that the company is making solid money from its operations. Looking forward, things are looking even better. Sigma is expected to have an EPS growth of 274% next year, which is just insane. Imagine how explosive that kind of growth could be for shareholders. Not to mention, Sigma already posted a 38.29% EPS growth for the trailing 12 months, along with a 70.22% increase in sales growth. Those are some pretty solid numbers. However, there is one thing to keep an eye on. Sigma's stock is still down about 65.84% from its 52-week high. This might just present an opportunity for investors who are looking for a discounted entry point. Definitely something to keep in mind as we move forward. Now let's talk about what Sigma Lithium is actually doing on the operational side of things. Because they're not just sitting around waiting for the market to catch up, they're out there making things happen. First up, Sigma recently announced that they exceeded their production targets for the fourth quarter of 2024, producing about 75,000 tons of lithium in just that quarter, bringing the total for the year to around 240,000 tons. And the best part, they're on track to crush their 2025 production target of 270,000 tons. But that's not all. Sigma is currently making headlines for their shipment of 22,650 tons of quintuple zero green lithium from the port of Vitória in Brazil, headed to IRH Global Trading Ltd. In Abu Dhabi. This is a huge milestone as it reflects their ability to execute large shipments and meet the global demand for high-quality lithium. What's more, Sigma's quintuple zero green lithium is already being priced at 8.25% of the battery-grade lithium carbonate price on the Guangzhou Futures Exchange. This pricing structure shows just how well-positioned Sigma is in the lithium market, and with shipments like these, they're going to continue to expand their footprint globally. Now, beyond the numbers and shipments, sustainability is a big focus for Sigma Lithium. They're not just thinking about profits, they're also thinking about their long-term impact on the environment and local communities. Recently, Sigma received a triple environmental license for its Barreiro mine in Brazil, part of its 100% owned Grota do Cirilo property. This license is a big deal because it clears the way for future mining operations at Barreiro, which will feed into their green tech industrial plant. That's going to be a key part of their long-term growth strategy. And Sigma isn't just about meeting regulatory requirements, they're actively investing in the communities where they operate. For example, they've already built schools and childcare units as part of their local social initiatives, which shows they're committed to being a responsible corporate citizen. Okay, Now let's talk about their latest financial results. For third quarter of 2024, Sigma reported $44.2 million in revenues, though it adjusted to $20.9 million after provisional price adjustments. While there were some accounting adjustments, such as a non-cash loss of $23.3 million, Sigma's core operations still look strong. One of the things I really want to highlight is Sigma's operational efficiency. They have some of the lowest cash unit operating costs in the industry, averaging $513 per ton on a CF China basis. That's impressive, especially as the company scales up its operations. Additionally, Sigma generated a healthy $34 million in operating cash flow and ended the quarter with $66 million in cash. Even though the company reported a cash-adjusted EBITDA loss of about $10.6 million for the quarter, this is mainly due to those accounting adjustments, not because of operational issues. On the debt side, Sigma had a total of $181 million in debt, but still has $59 million in unused liquidity, which gives them plenty of room to maneuver as they grow. So, when you put all this together, it's clear that Sigma Lithium is on a strong path. They've got impressive operational performance, a solid financial foundation, and they're positioned at the forefront of the growing lithium market. With demand for lithium on the rise and Sigma ramping up its production, there's a lot of potential here for investors looking for growth in the sustainable energy sector. And that wraps up today's video on Sigma Lithium Corporation. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with all our latest stock insights. Also, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share the video, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know, do you think Sigma is poised for success? Let us know what you think. And as always, check out our other videos on Stocks Telegraph for more in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.